Could it be true? Did scientists actually discover living dinosaurs on an exoplanet in the Andromeda Galaxy? It sounds like the plot of a science fiction movie, but today we're diving into a story that has captured imaginations around the world. If you've ever dreamed of the possibility that dinosaurs still exist somewhere in the universe, this might be the mind-blowing discovery you've been waiting for. It all began with the search for exoplanets, planets orbiting stars outside our solar system. Over the last few decades, astronomers have found thousands of these distant worlds, some of which fall into the habitable zone where life as we know it could potentially exist. Recently, attention turned to one particular planet in the Andromeda Galaxy, a staggering 2.5 million light-years away. Unusual atmospheric signals were detected by astronomers, sparking theories about the possibility of life. Could this distant planet, with its Earth-like conditions, harbor creatures similar to the dinosaurs that roamed our world 65 million years ago? The buzz began when researchers observed atmospheric signals that indicated the presence of large, carbon-based life forms, creatures capable of producing methane gas, much like animals on Earth. This raised eyebrows and led some enthusiasts to speculate, could these signals be evidence of massive reptiles similar to the dinosaurs of our planet? The idea is tantalizing. Imagine a world where the extinction event that wiped out Earth's dinosaurs never happened. What if, on that planet, these creatures continue to evolve and thrive? And if that's the case, could we ever know for sure? While the thought of dinosaurs on another planet is exciting, the science behind it is worth considering. Life is shaped by the environment in which it evolves. Earth's dinosaurs rose and fell in response to very specific conditions: gravity, atmosphere, climate, and available resources. On a distant exoplanet, even with Earth-like characteristics, the evolutionary path for life could be entirely different. If large creatures do exist, they might not resemble our dinosaurs at all, but could instead be something entirely unique. After all, even on Earth, we continue to discover new species. Who's to say what might exist on a distant world? Despite the thrilling speculation, there's no solid evidence to suggest that dinosaurs are roaming the surface of this distant planet. The signals are still being analyzed, and while scientists are excited about the possibility of finding life on other planets, the idea of living dinosaurs is more fantasy than fact. Most researchers believe that if life exists on exoplanets, it's likely to be microbial or primitive. However, the discovery of these signals is a reminder of the mysteries that still await us in the cosmos.